Hello everyone, welcome to Study Hacks. We will start a new video series about basic AutoCAD knowledge. Today I will show you how to download, install and crack AutoCAD 2007. So let's start. We already download this AutoCAD file. We provide this link or video description. So first time we click setup, then yes, stand-alone installation, then install. Okay, here needs sometimes it's depend on your PC configuration. Then click next, accept, then next. Here we provide serial number 000, then next. The last time we type something here, dealer something, and dealer phone some numerical number, then next, then next. Select install express tools, installs material library, then next, 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 and click next. Then click finish. After finishing this installation, I will crack this AutoCAD 2007 for lifetime. Open crack file and select all, then copy. Now here in your desktop, a AutoCAD 2007 icon, properties, open file location, then this crack file paste here, replace the file in the destination, do for all the guide items, continue, cross, then apply, continue. Okay, now our crack is complete. Then open the AutoCAD 2007. Here we select AutoCAD Classic. Don't show me this again. Okay. Now we click no, don't show me this again. I will see the interface of AutoCAD. This complete our installation and crack. Thank you everyone for joining with us. Please subscribe our channel for more video. Thanks everyone.